Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, karibu. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So I'm going to do a room tour before niharibu. Kuna watu bado, kuna vitu za watu hapo, there's still some people's stuff. So anyway, let's do a room tour. First things first, I have the veranda here with this nice swing chair. Aside from this swing, I have this other swing over here. Let me show you guys. Yeah, I have this swing. Then enter, I have my big massive bed. This is the bed I'll be sleeping in for the next 7 days. For the next 7 days in before you, then you see what they're doing here. They have like these crates for makeup, or they have the crates like it's like the bedside lamp or table or whatever. Then yeah, that's the name of my villa. Then when you come on this other side here, we have this where we have, let me show you. Okay, don't judge me, don't judge me. I got this drink from my Ukrainian lady friend, Alinipea. I couldn't refuse free alcohol. It was halfway, but I cannot refuse it. Then I have this kettle, I have some tea, coffee, whatever I want. Yay! Then that's Claudia there. Hi guys, please subscribe if you're enjoying the Zanzibar series. So yeah, and of course my wine. This one, it's so good. It costs 25,000 Tanzanian shillings. I don't want to convert into Kenyan shillings, so whatever. But yeah, then back to me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, my loves. We are right now. Guess. You'll never guess. I'm in the bathroom. Niko bathroom. Let me show you how it looks like. The bathroom is outside. That's it. Then we have that toilet, sink, put your towel, dustbin, fire extinguisher, glasses maybe that could brush, men or put in your toothbrush. When I tell you to go outside, we outside.